I'm Johan, product manager at Sécheron, and I'm responsible for the diode rectifier range for traction applications. The diode rectifier is the heart of the substation. It converts AC current supplied by the grid into DC current used for the electrification of the railway lines, from light tramways to heavy metros. Sécheron's first rectifier was built in 1937. And today, we offer a wide range of standard and compact solutions, covering all the market power capacity requirements, from 500 kilowatts to 10,000 kilowatts, and for a voltage range up to 3,000 volts. Thanks to our extensive experience, we are able to design any custom solution to meet specific requirements, such as integrated automatic isolating switch and resolvable function. The rectifier is made up of two high voltage compartments: the side compartment for the connections with the transformer, and the main compartment for the conversion of the energy. Our standard products are 100% modular, with front and rear access, or with front access only depending on site requirements. The AC and DC connections are available by busbar or by cables, from the top and from the bottom. Now let's have a look inside. The rectifier is composed of semiconductor diodes that convert AC current into DC current. High-speed fuses connected in series protect the diodes against short-circuit faults. The number and the size of the diode blocks depends on the power of the rectifier. The rectifier comes with its own protections against overvoltage, such as the opening of the medium voltage circuit breaker at no load, the lightning strike, and the commutation of the diodes, and of course against overloads. Sécheron can provide either cost-optimized rectifiers from our standard range or any custom solution from 𝗱𝗶𝗄 to 𝗱𝗶42. The diode rectifiers are made of robust technology which make them reliable and low maintenance. They are developed and certified according to both IEC and IEEE standards. With more than 300 rectifiers delivered worldwide each year, Sécheron remains a leader in the DC railway market for decades. Put your comments below and do not hesitate to contact us for any support. À bientôt!